Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 69 AMC Javelin. This comes from Mike in Newborn, Georgia. I love the names of some of these cities. Newborn, Georgia. Sounds like the city was born yesterday. Mike has requested just the modern internal conversion to add FM and greatly increased output power because he requested a new harness. No USB or Bluetooth or anything fancy like that. So let's go ahead and turn on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area.
Thrilled with the new Bloomerang Purple Lilac.
And we can demonstrate our balance and fader
they
controls.
Don't just bloom once in spring, they bloom again in summer.
Okay, the original left-right balance.
Year, making spring last well into fall.
Left,
and just
right,
$29.99.
left,
Come check out all
right.
the heavenly new sights and scents that are making this spring the most beautiful ever. Lilacs like Grandma used to grow.
Okay, and now we also have a virtual front-rear fader. It's going to be
KQNA.
on the tone control knob. Let's activate and adjust that.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now all the way front, all the way rear.
I bring to your attention great groups that work for this country. And I'd like you to be in touch with them. I'm asking you to donate. I'm asking you to...
Fader is set.
One of them is American
Okay,
Prosperity.
let's go over to FM, which we do if your radio does not have an original AM/FM switch. The way to switch between bands is to turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Run her down the dial.
Want to focus on
Badminton, ¿verdad?
Here's how to learn it. Start obeying what and Georgia only. Cordell.
Be chatting with Robert Moses.
If you want to keep the river flowing,
And even your check. Call 800-7-545
Okay,
to see if you
let's try the
qualify.
8-track.
That's 800-785-9.
End of a song here.
You can be the cat's meow. Flags are unfurled. Don't on the track. Gotta travel.
Alright, pull the tape out, radio comes back. So that takes care of it. Let's test the dial light. You can see that flashing on and off in response to my command. So that takes care of that. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And on that home page, there's a place where you can download and print my work order. And I would really appreciate if you do that before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the website and the work order are designed to answer most, if not all, of your questions. But at any rate, if you do this research first, that way when you need to call me, it's only about a 2 or 3 minute conversation just to ask a last minute question, instead of a 15-minute conversation that keeps me off the bench for a little bit too long with my ever increasing workload. Not only am I doing work for direct customers, I also have some of the other radio guys who do conversions send me the 8-track section because they're just not set up for really good work on the 8-track. So they don't have new motors, new heads. They don't build new preamps. I've also been recently, well, not recently mentioned, but I've also been mentioned in a book that was written in 2015. It's a paperback book called, I think it's called 8-track, the first mobile app. Now I've got more than 1,000 videos on YouTube. So my name is really out there, and my workload is tremendous. So I really need to stay off the phone as much as possible and on the bench as much as possible. So if you can just take all that into consideration, it's greatly appreciated. So I'll stop blabbing about that. Thank you, Mike, for your business all the way from Newborn, Georgia, and thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.